right here. Okay.
Lisa, do the bomb chicka womp womp. You just don't. Do the table. The slamming of the table. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Do the motherfucking yeah. Fuck your
Hey.
Hey.
I might not know how to do this trunk volume calls. But I do know how to do
The Running Man.
the lawnmower.
The Running.
The lawnmower. That's all I remember. Okay. Next is your water sprinkler. Okay, you ready?
Sprinkler?
The water sprinkler, yeah.
Sprinkler?
It's right there. Ready? You want to see the water sprinkler?
I want to see the motherfucking
Okay,
water
okay.
sprinkler.
Okay, yeah, next.
Hey, get my cup out of the refrigerator.
Okay. Next is what we call a piece of sharpner. Okay? It's like a real live piece of sharpner. You have to do it to God. Okay? You gotta get it loose. There you go. Yeah. It's almost there.
Oh,
I think it's pretty
fucking
soft.
right.
That was awesome.
It felt good, didn't it?
Now, you do it.
Yeah. Got stuff in the hands. It's about to do this sharpener. Go ahead, babe. Yeah, that's fucking right. Yeah.
Something like.
Yeah, yeah, just, that's right. Yes. We the bomb ching chong.
What?
Yeah.
What? The camera's on the other way. The camera was the other way. We gotta do it again then? Yeah. Okay. Ready? What?
What the fuck am I filming now?
It's on camera.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I bet you can't see it now. Wait. What's it even? Hey, you want to see what you... What is it? Okay, this, I really can't tell you what it is, but Casey gave it to me. It's a flower. Tell him what it came out of. When he said...
We can't say it on videotape.
He said, Mason, you can't ever say it until I can give you something, okay? I said, okay, baby, thanks. Love you lots. Yeah, it's pretty hot in here. Mine's just fucking shit. What? What? Maybe it has something to say too. Do your thing. I went, bonjour, and you said, I don't believe that word came out of my mouth, but it's something like, Wait, where's my video? It's just supposed to be on mine, fucker.